Hi, I am Neha along with my project partner Purva. We are here to demonstrate our project Step Up Analysis of Western Dances developed for the course CSCI 548. This project analyzes dance forms and the interesting relations between them based on various attributes like artist, origin, category, and moves in the form of graphs. The interesting inferences can be used by the recommendation systems of dance schools. A lot of information is available on the internet regarding the dance forms, but it is sparse and unstructured. For example, if you go on Wikipedia page of waltz, though the information about the origin is present, artist and category is missing. We also notice that one of the most important distinguishing parameter for dance forms, which is moves, is missing on Wikipedia. We collected data for the dance moves from the websites like about.com, buzzle.com, dancesteps.com and presented it in a structured and visually interactive manner. Now let's take a look at our application step-up. We perform operations like get dance details, classification, centrality and find closest dance in our application. We treat all the attributes and the dance form as the node of the graph. So let's begin the demonstration. To get the details of a particular dance, we input the name in this text box and generate the graph with the dance name as a center node. In this graph, the blue nodes represent all the moves of the dance cha-cha. On clicking the dance node, we display all the details which are extracted from various sources. We have categorized the moves based on the master moves which we get from Wikipedia. On clicking on a move node sidestep chaze, we can see that its parent move chaze is popped up. On clicking a move node, we fetch all the relevant videos of the move which can be played in our application. This visualization can be very useful for a dancer to learn the steps. Now let's see classification. So here we select our classification criteria as category with the name Latin dances so that the user can see details of a particular dance. Okay, so we can see all this dance come under a category Latin dance. We can see the details of the individual dance on the node click. So here we can see on clicking this node all the moves and the details has arrived. We can classify the dances based on various other parameters like country, artist, origin. Now here in the classification, we want to see all the dance forms which are performed and originated in the country Cuba. Similarly, we can perform classification based on other parameters like artist and beat. Next, centrality analysis determines the commonalities between two notes. Now let's perform centrality analysis between two dances, waltz and Viennese waltz. Here we can see that these two dances share a common category. They share rhythm beats and a lot of moves in common. We can perform this analysis on various attributes like artist, parent moves and moves. Let's perform this analysis between two artists, James Buttin and Roy Head. We can see that these two artists perform in the same dance forms called four-step rock and roll and rockabilly. This particular information can be very useful for the dancers. We find closest dance for a given dance based on a number of moves it shares with the other dances. Since moves is one of the most important parameters. Here on inputting ballroom cha-cha, we can see in the radar chart that it shares moves with the 6 dances, but it is closest to the ballroom rumba as it shares maximum number of moves with it. We generate this graph dynamically based on number of moves it shares with the number of dances. So if we input rockabilly, we can see that it is closest to the dance rock and roll. This lays down an inference for a dancer to know which dance he can pick up easily as the number of moves is the most significant parameter. In this way, our application lays down structured information about dance forms in an interactive manner which can be used by dancers, dance schools and recommendation systems. Thank you.